We've got a lake. So there we go, the Oz Trail Genesis 3V. We purchased this one off Marketplace, I think $35. So yeah, plenty of ventilation. It's got a back door, these side windows, awesome colour combination. Space here, and we'll chill down here in the morning. Yeah, there you go, bit of a fire pit over there, lucky with the camera, plenty of ventilation, just what you want on a hot muggy day in Queensland. So, but we thought we'd get this up first. It's very breezy today, pretty awesome view, but yeah, I think we're gonna have a bit of rain, so we'll set up the rest of camp, eh Lucky? Table. What's Bill Oddie doing down there with his camera? You alright, Lucky? Tell you what folks, that is one huge gum tree. That's pretty big, Lucky, isn't it? It's a stunker. Yeah, it's originally 2, I think. Yeah, what's it? Oh, look at that.
What's in it?
Oh, yeah. Full of ants. Oh, that's a Widowmaker and a half. Looks like it's bulged with water.
They started up with saplings, then big.
Yeah, what, sorry?
They're saplings.
A sapling.
No, seed saplings.
Seed sapling. Oh. Apologise for the wind noise. We're on top of the ridge here, so it's pretty windy. But I just thought we'd do the unboxing of this cool fire pit we've got, the top end fire pit. Lockie's going to do the unboxing, aren't you, Lockie?
Yep.
So, what have we got, mate?
Some gloves.
We've got some heat gloves. I guess so that's so we can take the fire grill off. So I'm going to open some of these packets because of the wind. What else, Lockie?
A bag.
A bag? You're going to put your fire pit inside the bag?
Yep.
Oh, you got your knife. Oh, this is pretty cool. Righto. Alright, we'll get unwrapping some of this and get setting it up. See you in a minute. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Here. wearing the gloves?
Yeah.
Put the gloves on then.
You only do this one.
Yep. So there's the base. Oh, well done. You've got it.
Yeah.
What have we got here?
So,
That looks
like a door.
the next bit. Socks in there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Where are that?
Yeah. Get my knife.
That there. That one there. Oh, these are the rotisserie.
Yeah.
What was that?
What are they?
Yeah, if you wanted
Oh, yeah.
from there. A blind man here. Put it in there. There we go. Top end 5 pit. Get into it. Right, that's fine. Wedge-tail eagle. You're pretty cool, mate. Righto. So yeah, put the grill plate on. Spray a bit of canola oil. Woo! Bloody hell, you door. Let that do the thing. Wipe it off. Crap. Oh, woo, woo. Bloody smart. tasty, Lockie?
Yeah. And delicious. Ooh, this one smells nice. There's potatoes, paddy, and cheese and sauce.
What do you reckon?
Good.
Oh well, that doesn't look very promising. Think it's going to rain, Lockie? And you want to know the best thing? We broke the tent. Tried to mask it up with a bit of electrical tape, but no, punched a hole in it in the bag. So yeah. We'll see. Fuck, that's hot. You found some eggs? Where? Really? I don't know, either ibis, swamp hen.
That's green.
Green? Let's have a look. Pretty dead. Wow, look at that. Yeah, massive. Huh. No, rabbits don't lay eggs. Some type of seabird. There's no mother around. Come on. Well camouflaged, aren't they? I know. Yeah. Where are we going, mate? What are we going to do when we get there?
Don't know yet.
Okay. He's got a mate.
Dad wants somewhere there. Waiting for one. No. I just want to pick one up. Go back to yourself.
Hey folks, it started to rain, so scatters everywhere. So I'm in the porch of the tent. Got my beer, chilling. Playing with the fire. Ah. Well, the rain's picked up again. I'm having a brew. Oh, just chill out in here, eh? Time for bed, mate. You're going to put the lights on. That's all ready for the morning. Oh, we only need the one. Got my thongs there. Oh, shoot. Oh, it's going to be a windy night, Lachlan. Oh, that's our view. I don't know what's on that piece of metal. Do you reckon it is?
I can have a look.
Nah. Oh, the wind's picking up, Lachlan.
Yeah.
What, mate?
You.
Oh. Well, I'm recording you.
Oh.
Who?
I'm calling you.
I'm recording you. Well, I don't know if you can make it out, look. Hey, Lockie.
Whack.
Bit of a lot of rain coming over there. Ooh, hunker down with Bluey. Well, it's raining now. Well, we said it earlier, folks. The tape didn't help, eh? Fucking leaking in my tent, Lockie. Lockie, we're getting wet, Lockie. Oh well. It's only water. I'll fix it. Drip, drop, drip, drop. Oh dear. Well, that was a funny night, wasn't it, Lockie?
Yes.
Oh, we survived it though. Everything's soaking wet. Anyway, time for a coffee. Hey folks, the morning after the storm, but anyway, we're a bit wet, tired, we've had some easy breakfast, and we couldn't really film it, the phone camera's a bit dodgy, so we're all packed up, ready to go home. What do you reckon, Lockie? I can't even get my words out, I'm knackered. What do you say, you dog? You ready? What do we say? Share the love.